Hey, what's up guys? We're back with another video from Scrappy Wood, and today we're gonna be doing a little bit of trim. But something unique about this trim is I didn't set the window depths very well. So let's get into it. So as you can see here, depth looks pretty much the same here. But then when you get up to this section right here, it's about a ½ inch. Whereas down here, it's probably about an inch. So I'm gonna have to put some shims basically, or fur it out a little bit away from the window so my trim looks decent. And I gotta do something here too, because my trim's only 2 inch. That's about 3 inches. So we're looking for something like that. As you can see from this angle, it's smaller at this end than at this end. So we'll get into that in a little bit. That window downstairs seemed to be a little too easy, so I have to do one that's a little harder, just to show you guys, maybe run into something a little different that maybe you haven't ran into before. But this one has varying distances or lengths or widths, varying widths between bottom and top, and it's way wider as well. So I can't just throw a nail through it into the window jamb. I'm gonna have to do something different. I'm thinking of kind of toenailing behind in here into the jamb with a smaller screw, and we'll see if that kind of works out. But first I'm gonna have to cut back this sheetrock and give myself some room. So I have that cut out of my way so I can possibly get behind there to toenail a screw in. Next up, I'm gonna have to identify this distance and this distance, and we'll start on the bottom here, getting this first piece in. So I'm just butting into the jamb and measuring out to the outside part of the sheetrock, and I have about 3 inches. I'm butting into the jamb and measuring to the outside of the sheetrock because I want my trim to run kind of flush with the sheetrock there. So this side is 3 inches, 3 1/16, and this side 2 5/8. So quite a bit different, but it's my own damn fault. So with my measurement, I got my 2 5/8 on this side. And this side, I have it at 3 1/16. And my length was 26.5. So I marked those out. I'm just gonna cut that out. This is a pain in the ass, but like I said, this is what I gotta deal with since I didn't straighten out my windows in the first place. So straighten out your windows first. But if you have a shitty setup where you don't have that opportunity, your windows are already installed, this is what you got to do, or one version of what you can do. You don't have to listen to me. Now I'm just gonna cut that with my circular saw. Obviously, there's a lot straighter ways to do this. if you have a track saw or a table saw. I don't have either right now, so this is what I'm working with. So the video is almost like do with what you have as well. Fits in there quite nicely. So now that that bottom one is good to go, I'm gonna cut all the other sides. I'm gonna get back to you. I got all 4 pieces done. I got a different idea for attaching them. So since there is not much room to get behind there to kind of toenail a screw in, I'm gonna throw in some shims on the bottom and the top and see if I can pin some nails in that way on the sides to make it stay in that way. Let's see. So I'm gonna need a shim here, 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 and here. So I got my shims all cut. Let's put them in. Oh, we'll see. We shall see. Might be enough. Then I have 2 on the sides as well. Don't like that one as much. Don't do what I'm doing. And then this side. With those 2 shims in now, my piece fits absolutely beautifully in there. This way a little bit. Oh yeah, that's exciting. All right, so for this far side here, for this side, that bottom shim worked here, but on the top, I had to add some normal shims as well to get it to have a nice same reveal all the way down. All right, then the other side, left side, same thing kind of happened. So I added just shims on either side here. Now just for the top, I like to shave these off first though. I'm super happy that I chose to do this instead, because toenailing into the jambs, I don't think that would have worked out very good at all. So they're ending up pretty nice. They're looking pretty tight on our jamb joints, and looking pretty flush on our sheetrock. So I'm cool with it. Not bad. That's how they turned out. Now we add the trim or the casing around it, okay? Okay. Allez te boudisant, vengez-ton jambon. J'ai 20 ans, j'ai nancé. Non, c'est bon. Oi. The least amount of nails, the better. Not as much pud then. Pud on the holes. Make sure to add a little glue on your casing joints. beautiful. Just freaking beautiful. Why are you here? I'm gonna go like this first. Don't mind me. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna do 4 on this one because I'm cool like that. It's looking so nice. Wait till you see it. You guys don't realize how long I've put these ones off because they're so stupid. Again, because of my own damn problem of not moving my windows when installing. Okay, do you want to see the final product? Wait, I gotta pretty it up for you. Nice. Oh, so nice. There she be. Oh, so pretty. So nice. Look at them apples. Let's just take a step back and admire. Dang, son. Okay, there we have it. Another Scrappy Wood project in the books. I hope you guys had some takeaways from that. First and foremost, set your windows correctly. Then you don't have to deal with this whatsoever. But in all seriousness, this is a pretty cool way to fur your windows out. Make sure it looks somewhat nice. Yes, you can do it better than me. You can have different ideas than me. I don't mind if you tell me about those too. That'd be nice to hear. Go ahead and let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. I'm going to attempt to, I shouldn't even say this, but I'm going to attempt to make more. Isn't that crazy? More videos? For me, I'm so inconsistent. It'd be pretty sweet though. All right, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, stay scrappy, y'all. You better subscribe. You better subscribe now. Subscribe. Please subscribe to the video or to my channel.